almost 3 minutes into this contest. Hodge goes all the way out to Maliksi. Alain gives Meralco the lead.
Obviously, instructions ni Coach Norman yan. Get Alain Maliksi involved early dito sa ating opensa. Para ka talaga di ba? Yung bounce back na sinasabi natin, very important. Meron ka naman pagkakataon always. There's the next game and there's the next game. You look forward to that. You soldier on.
Yap from deep. Punches it through.
Yan ang mahirap pag nagbibigay ka kahit na mga layup lamang dito sa mga scorer. Dahil kung siyan.
Buong karir na.
Ako
Nice
isa.
Mamaya silipin natin ulit ha.
Ako isa.
May isa
11 years. Isang attempt. Di pa pumasok.
set shot o
hindi ba? Tingnan natin. 6 seconds to go.
Nathan found the gap in the D.
Kapatuloy ang 2-3 zone itong rain or shine. And like you said, di ba, may konting puwang lamang at kinuha niya.
Gabe looking to penetrate. Gabe naglabas ng frustration sa layup na yon.
Talking about nilagay talaga.
On the run. Ponferrada, no. Ito na si Newsome. Ganda ng kilos.
Naghahanap ba kayo ng fast break points? Sabi nitong siya. Chris Newsome, eto na.
And si Gabe galit na galit. Naisahan siya.
Yung paghanap nila dun sa magandang mga half-court sets nila. And again, the good thing, guys with confidence, andyan na for the white shirts as we see a nice floater coming from Paseramer.
Nakita mo yung gigil maka-pass break ng Rain or Shine. Tumrap sa half-court.
Rain or shine, usually putting a premium on defense, non-existent today at patuloy ang magandang pagpa-pass break at paglalaro nitong Meralco. Don't want to go back-to-back losses kung Rain or Shine ka. Nako.
Ni-reverse ni Bong Quinto yan to stretch their lead to 15. The Bolts breaking this game wide open.
Think about Bong Quinto, malapad na pangangatawan pero he's quick. So kahawak niya ang bola.
Isang nakahain para sa atin. San Miguel Beer kontra Phoenix Fuel Masters naman. We'll cap off our Thursday. 5 unanswered points now by Rain or Shine will pull them to within 18. Ano gagawin ni Coach Norman? Time out.
No room for any.
Ganda naman ng spin. Aaron Black! Offensive foul. I think it's on Hodge.
Wow.
Will it count?
Bullets again is Rain or Shine.
Was it clearing space or was it on the rebound? Quinto, is he aware of the clock? 4 to shoot. Bong all the way!
Galing.
Uh-oh. But Quinto is hurt. He's holding on to his leg. 5-on-4 tayo dito sa kabila. Borboran from deep. Punches it through! Abante pa rin naman ng 10. They need a basket though. Hodge dumps it to Almasan for the Alma Slam!
Ganda naman ang drop pass ng Clifford Hodge. Doon sa kabilang frontliner na Raymond Almasan finishing with it, the tomahawk dunk. Almasan